Hi, my friends and I made this tool to pull stuck arrows or bolt out of the targets. About giving up target shooting because it was so hard to pull the bolts out of the target. We took a common pair of curved jaw vice grips, took a metal tube a little bit larger than the diameter of the bolt, glued some rubber on the inside of it, TIG welded the tube after we sawed it in half to the vice grips. Then you just clamp it on the arrow and pull it out. I've got my Barnett Ghost 350 with the crank cocker all loaded up, ready to go. I recommend this crossbow, by the way. So let's take it outside and shoot it and see how it works. That was a 20-yard shot with the Barnett Ghost 350, and I'm about half an inch off center. Now we'll take it inside and pull the arrow. I thought it better to bring the target back inside. It's 35 degrees outside and windy, and you can't hear the video real well. Take your little pliers, clamp on it, kind of twist, and give it a pull. Comes out that easy. Thank y'all.